Fun fact, it's my birthday this week, and we got a br800c. That's the one with the start cord on the side. We're going to open the box, put it together, and get it going so we can get to work on the trees. Also wanted to share with you, we got a new microphone that's attached to our camera. Give us a thumbs up and tell us you like that microphone, and it's actually helping improve the sound quality. The ducks are laughing at us. I don't know if you can hear them, but you may be able to. Most people don't get them in the box because Stihl likes them to be started before they leave whatever place that you purchase it at. But I was able to get it in the box so that we can open the box together and do a little assembly. So in case you ever have to take it apart or whatever the case is, you know what's in the box. Okay, if you can see right there, this is what's on the top of the box when you open the first two flaps. It gives you instructions on how to assemble this thing, so I wanted to show you that. Okay, we got the owner's manual and a toolkit, a couple rings that go on the hose. Part of the hose, got the handle in it, symbol of that. Another part. There it is. Okay, so we got it out of the box. We have a couple pieces to assemble. The ducks have something to say about it. I guess they're hungry, so we'll feed them after we get done here. So we got the br800. This is the C version, and we'll show you a couple of those features in just a moment. For now, we're gonna get the thing assembled. Couple of rings. One has a spot for a different hose to hook up to. This one doesn't have any ring. In the pack, there's 4 screws, and a little tiny screwdriver, 2 small screws, 2 larger screws. Okay, you got this rubber flexible tube here. One side is longer on this piece right here. The other side is smaller. And on this side you have this little notch right here, which goes right here on the notch. Okay, there's 2 little tabs on the bottom of this and a notch right here, just like the rubber piece had. That little notch is going to go right on the rubber piece. And those little tabs will grab down at the bottom there. Take your long screw, just tighten it down. Okay, you got the handle here. There's a round piece that's going to snap right into this little hole right there. Then on the remaining part, you've got the other side of the, you got the other side of the rubber hose here, and then you have the end. It's just press on there. Like so. And that other ring will go right over top of it. And then you do the same thing. Put your screw in there. I'm going to flip this over just so I have the screw heads on the same side. I'm kind of talking kind of soft right now, so I'm trying to see what the levels are on this microphone. I'm sure when we get out there with the tractor, it'll be a little different. Okay. Now, on the handle, there's a piece down there and two holes for the two small screws. This goes right over top of this piece right here, and this rotates because it's got a rotating piece inside that piece we just put on. This just goes right down over top of it, like that. Take those two little screws right down into the slots. And that does not fit in there, so I'm going to have to get a different tool. It is a star bit, but it's a lot smaller, so I'm going to have to get a tool for that. Alright, got the right bit now. Fancy little homeowner kit with a little ratchet driver here. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. I'm sure a lot of people have seen this blower in action, but it's another thing to get your hands on. Alright, let's tighten down. The only thing left we have is the tip. That comes out. Just goes on the end and clips on. All these fancy straps. This waist, it's got a waist strap on it, and of course the chest strap. The waist strap is going to help distribute that weight and the force, the torque of the blower. It's going to help distribute that weight on your body, so it's going to allow a lot more flexibility in your upper body. It's also not going to hurt your body as much in the long run, and tomorrow after you've used it, you won't feel it near as much as you would if you didn't have this. So that's a nice feature on this unit. And you have the pull cord here. We're going to get some fuel, put it in here, and that way we can get this thing started up and use it. Guys, you just saw where we mixed up our HP Ultra Stihl 50-to-1 engine oil mix into our brand new can, and we're going to fill it up. This is a new can, and I do not like this tip. I'm sure I'll be changing it out, so we'll see how this goes. Let's see. Twist this and press it down. I can already tell you I do not like it. Let's try it this way. It takes two hands for sure. I don't like it. If you hold your mouth right, it'll go in there. Alright, we got it filled up. Always move your can away. Alright, this is the first start. We're going to press the primer bulb. Of course, the lines are dry, so it might take a couple seconds longer to get this thing going. We're going to turn the knob to full choke. We got it going. Now we're going to go out and use it. I'm excited. Hope you are too. Well, I'll tell you what, this thing's going to earn its keep. All that you saw down there, that was caked on mud and leaves that had been packed down into the gravel. And I want to get that up so I can get the box blade out on the RK25 and pull this gravel up out of the mud, and then hopefully get some of the mud to settle down underneath. But that was the first step, and this is really going to help a ton. This thing is wonderful. So far, I give it a thumbs up. There it is, guys, the Stihl br800c. So excited to have this on board at our farm and be able to utilize it. We look forward to sharing more videos about this unit so you can maybe get one yourself, understand it a little better, and maybe even go get one yourself. Until next time, there it is, and now you have it. There's really nothing to it, and anyone can do it. We'll see you on the next one. Be sure to go back and check out all the videos we've created for you that you can, if you have a T25 or RK25, you can check those out. It's going to help you as a tractor owner. And if you guys have any comments, please leave them below. Any videos that you'd like to see. We're looking forward to really jumping back in, and hopefully we can get these productions back underway. Thanks again. See you on the next one.